I just want to make a video. I'll fucking slap you everywhere in a minute. By the way, that's my bird. Still wrong. You know why I'm with you? No one else will want you. I'll slap you everywhere. I was going to make a video to tell you how much I love her.
Sorry.
Okay, this video. Can I just tell you, like, I was going to tell you how much I loved my bird, like, but she's a little dirty, wrong un. This is my pit bull, his name's Debo. He loves long walks. He likes a bit of my spliff now and again. Don't you, Debo? Hey. But anyway, I was going to say I love my birds and that, but I think I'm seeing stuff here, you know, the weed and that.
Just take me to honest.
Going on, lad? Hey, I'm making a video, lad. She's a little wrong, lad. I was a bit...
Are you talking about me?